Hello student, I hope you are doing fine. So in today's question, we are going to discuss the question related to the blood relation. And this is a part of the logical reasoning syllabus, and the UPSC every year asking one question to two question related to the blood relations. Blood relation means your father, son, daughter, how you are related to each other. So in this series of the blood relation, let's read the question here. सबसे पहले आपको ब्लड रिलेशन के क्वेश्चन करने के लिए एक टेक्निक आना चाहिए. यू नीड टू मेक अ फैमिली ट्री आपको बनाना है, जिससे आपका क्वेश्चन बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. अगर हम फैमिली ट्री बना लेते हैं, फादर ऑन द अपर साइड, देन हिज सन एंड हिज डॉटर, देन द सन वाइफ, देन द सन एल्डरली सन, देन द सन डॉटर ऑल्सो एक्सेट्रा. तो इस तरीके से हमें एक फैमिली ट्री बनाना होता है. फैमिली ट्री के बाद ब्लड रिलेशन का क्वेश्चन सोल्व करना बहुत आसान हो जाता है, एंड देयर विल बी द 100% चांसेस कि आपका क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं होगा. ओके, so let's learn this question by making the family tree. Aarti introduced Sonia to her friend. Her Sonia father's only son. Sonia father's only son. यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं Sonia father's only son. Let's write above the Sonia father first. Sonia father only son. So first of all, we will write the Sonia father. Means Sonia father only sons means the Sonia is the daughter, and father's only son means Sonia brother. Sonia brother. Sonia father only son. He is the like a son, male, he is female. तो इस स्टेटमेंट से हमें पता लगता है हर सोनिया फादर ओनली सन वाइफ इज माई मदर इन लॉ. आरती सिंह father only son wife is my mother in law means Sonia brother wife here. Sonia brother wife here, and he is the mother-in-law of the other person. So mother-in-law means it's a Sonia brother. Here kid means the Sonia brother son, and here is the his brother wife. Sonia brother son and her wife. Her wife here. Her wife is Aarti. Here the Aarti is here. Now Sonia brother wife is Aarti mother-in-law. Aarti mother-in-law. This is the Venn diagram that is given here. This is the information that is given in the question. Let's read again the information. The first is father only son. The first information is father only son wife. Sonia father is only son, Sonia brother, and his daughter Sonia. Then he's saying son's wife is my mother-in-law. Son's wife Sonia brother wife means इसका मीनिंग है Sonia wife is my mother-in-law. आरती सिंह सोनिया की जो वाइफ है उसकी मदर इन लॉ है. तो आरती की मदर इन लॉ मीन सोनिया वाइफ. तो आरती कौन होगा? आरती विल बी द सोनिया ब्रदर सन वाइफ. आरती विल बी द सोनिया ब्रदर सन वाइफ मीन्स जो सोनिया का ब्रदर है उसका सन, एंड आरती विल बी हर वाइफ, एंड सोनिया ब्रदर वाइफ विल बी द आरती मदर इन लॉ. अगर हम इनको नाम दे देते हैं, इफ वी आर गिविंग द नेम टू देम, लेट्स सोनिया ब्रदर नेम इज विकास, and the Sonia Vikas wife name is Chaya. Vikas wife name is Chaya, and Vikas brother name is Bake. Now this is become very easy. Sonia father name is Uttam. Means Uttam has one son Vikas and the daughter Sonia, and the Vikas further is having Bake has his son, and the Bake wife is Aarti, and the Vikas wife is Chaya. So we can establish a relation here. Aarti and between the Chaya means Aarti and Chaya means Chaya is the mother-in-law of the Aarti. So this question is telling us this one. So now we need to find out Aarti husband related to Sonia. How is the Aarti husband related to Sonia? Here is the Aarti husband. This is the Aarti husband. We can see here Aarti husband. How it is related to Sonia? Sonia से कैसे relate करेगा? Means it's the nephew. आप directly देख सकते हैं. It can be related as a nephew here. So the answer of this question will be A. Answer of this question will be A, nephew. So this question will become very easy when you are making a family tree and you are giving the name to the different kind of the person here. So we gave the person name Uttam, the Sonia father, then his son Vikas, his daughter Sonia, then the Vikas wife Chaya, then the Vikas son Bake, and his wife, her wife Aarti, and the Aarti mother-in-law is Chaya. Aarti mother-in-law is Chaya, and now we need to tell a relation between Aarti and the Sonia. So Aarti and the Sonia is a nephew. तो वो nephew का एक ट्रीट होगा. तो आंसर विल बी हियर ए. The answer to this question is A here. At Edukemy, we are starting our CSAT batch from the 15th of September. So you can join from the Edukemy website, or you can visit office in the old Rajendra Nagar. For the daily practice of the CSAT, please join the UPSC for CSAT channel of the Edukemy. Thank you.